everyone calls lion, king of the jungle, that rules over all the animals. But that is not true. Every lion doesn't become a king. Here is the story. A lioness gives birth to up to 7 cubs. Intruder lions or a new lion in the group kill most of the cubs, and some cubs die because of disease or get eaten by other beasts. Most of the cubs die before the age of 2. The cubs who survive and become adults are kicked out by the most senior male. The young lions are now all alone and are attacked by other big lions and get killed. Only powerful, intelligent, and healthy lions survive till the end. Very few of them get into a new lion family and become a part of it. And later, they become the leader. The real struggle starts here. Intruder lions keep attacking him. A lion dies early than a lioness because he has to fight every day to protect the group. His whole body has visible wound marks made by teeth and claws of other lions while protecting the group. He has to prove every day that he is the king by fighting for his kingdom. He lives for pride and dies for the pride. So if you want to live life of a lion, you must understand that life is very hard and you must fight to survive. The whole world is ready to attack you, drag you down and criticize you. But you must keep moving ahead with a big, fearless heart like the lion. And one day, the whole world will accept you as a leader, as a majestic personality. Become a king, become a fighter, be unstoppable, and be a lion.